In this video, I will explain all Kali Linux hacking tools. But before starting this video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's start the video, guys.
Now I am on the Kali Linux operating system and I guide you guys all ethical hacking tools. And first of all, I guide you basics tools. So when you click on the Kali Linux, you can see here simply terminal. So guys, terminal is just like Windows 10 CMD, and the root terminal is your CMD run the administration tool, and this is just like admin tool. The file manager is third tool in Kali Linux favorite. The file manager in Kali Linux, you can also see the file manager in Windows. The file manager is to make your management of files. So this is the basic purpose of file manager. Make the folders, directories in Kali Linux and save your data, etc. And guys, when you click on the favorite, you can see here text editor. This is just like Windows 10 text editor. You can also save here text, pictures, etc. And next one is, guys, in Kali Linux favorite, web browser. This is simple web browser, Kali Linux, Kali tools. When you click on the Kali tools, you can guys see many tools, learn about tools. So basically when you click on the Kali tools, you can see here every Kali tools, like 600 plus Kali tools are all Kali tools here. And the beginner student, if you are new into Kali Linux, you can simply search the tool and learn about tools commands, how these commands work, etc. So for example, I search John and John the Ripper, all commands, all terminal commands, and now this will show you how is work, etc. So basically Kali tools is the pre-built a website which show you how the command works in terminal of every single tool and how to use every single tool in Kali Linux. So basically this is basic guide you can see here, guys. So the next one is Kali documentation. After making Kali Linux project, you need to make a report like PDF, etc. or professional IEEE format. So this is for this purpose. Cybersecurity training, Kali Linux. This is the another tool in Kali Linux. This is actually paid courses of CEH, certified ethical hacking or cybersecurity, etc. Better is you learn from YouTube. Don't buy. This is the paid courses. Otherwise, in exploit databases, already breached database list showing you the. So guys, Windows, GitHub, already breached database is showing here. The next one is Vulner Hub. You can find many information, too many about vulnerabilities, bugs in this page. So guys, I guide you in this video three types of tool. First one is the favorite tools, which already I guide you. Second one is, guys, recent use or usual application. The usual application mean your basic application, just like in Windows, like browser, app, notebook app, etc. So also you can search every tool or every app when and start your working on tool. So basically guys, I start all hacking tool explaining in third step, which are from 1 to 16. Basically the professional hackers, the professional Kali Linux OS designers design the tools for beginner students, like from reconnaissance to service and other tools. You can see here, and every list of tools show in every single step, every single playlist. You can also say this is the playlist from 1 to 16, and every playlist or every course have under many courses. Like if you click on reconnaissance, you can see many tools, and when you click on persistences, you can see many tools under the persistences or under the discovery or under the collection. So basically in Kali Linux, too many tools, 1600 plus tools. So if I explain one by one a tool, this will take my 3 to 5 hours. But in Kali Linux, if you are beginner, if you are student, I will explain 1 to 16 purpose of these under these tools and how these tools work. So guys, must why this third step. Basically, this is main part of our videos is all Kali Linux hacking tool explanation. I will guide you now. First of all, recognizes mean, guys, you can see here many tools in recognizes like burp suite, nmap, etc. The basic part of this playlist of recognizes and under these tools is to scan, test, secure the networks and look the vulnerabilities in networks. And if network is vulnerable or penetrated, you can easily search the network, scan the networks, and fix the network issues. Vulnerability scanning, web vulnerability scanning. So I guide you guys. This is the main playlist recognizes and other these tools works for network scanning, network security, web security, etc. And these are tools used for networks, and you can use your tools from terminals. So learn about terminal. I already make a video. Check the description about Kali terminal. Learn the terminal and learn how the tool of burp suite, how the nmap works. So basically, these all tools works throughout the terminal from the terminal, and these tools have no GUI based works, like you can scan the networks like in nmap in burp suite throughout the terminal throughout your expertise. So basic terminals, if you know, you can easily search the tool, you can easily use these tools, and hackers use for security purposes. Second one is resource development mean, guys, you can develop everything like in Python and etc. And third one is initial access mean, guys, like set the toolkit as tool which are used for phishing page creating. This tool is used for phishing page creation, and you can also, guys, know the phishing is for security purposes. Like set toolkit is used for social engineering mean to hack a vulnerable system. So the next one is persistence. Persistence is every other tool for different purposes. Privilege escalation. These tools are for the privilege accesses. You can also need to access from your organization and scan and secure your networks, database, etc. The another one tools are, guys, credential access. Credential access mean, guys, these are tools used for password cracking, hashing, and password security, etc. So, like brute force attacks, like, guys, John used for the password cracking, and Hydra used for hashes, etc. purposes. So basically, the 8 playlist, 8 credential access, and under these tools used for password cracking, password security, and password related cybersecurity, etc. work. So ethical hacker use this for password cracking and password related work. So guys, these are the most important tools. If I skip a playlist like 3 4, you can also learn from the YouTube, because I don't have too many times to explain you. Just I will guide you guys the playlist what are under this tool for what purpose, and already I guide you all Kali Linux hacking tools you can use from your terminal. So when you click on the tool, automatically terminal open, and you have the abilities, you have the skills, you learn the skill how to perform every task, every single task in terminal. So now discovery playlist. Under the playlist, you can see in many tools. The tools is used for the many purposes. Like these tools are used for network scanning, network security purposes, discovery purposes, and ethical hackers use these tools to secure networks, look the vulnerable networks, and fix if bugs happen. So these are too many tools. The famous tool is nmap, used for the network security and scanning, etc., discovery, etc., airmong, etc. Other one is lateral movement. other password hash tools etc exist, and you can also use these tools for password hashing or password lookup. Already breach password, already breach hashes give you the strong knowledge, give you the detail about what are these hashes, and under this what are the simple main text or plain text. So basically guys, you can also learn these tools. Just simply open your ChatGPT, paste the screen and learn every single tool detail. Another one is collection. Collection is another tools. So another one is command and control. Command and control mean you can control everything like your port, like your networks, Ethernet, etc. Extrusion, impact, etc. tools come here. The most important tool is guys forensic. These tools for forensic purposes. For example, if a leak video is forensic, so police or FIA department or cybercrime department use these tools to inspect how they create and which time etc etc. So basically these tools, service and other tools, the service and other tools guide you guys. Basically courses, I already guide you paid courses, so don't buy. So basically guys, these are in simple wording 1 to 16 playlists. Under the playlists, every single playlist, multiple videos like multiple tools, and multiple tool is the multiple functions. Basically in Kali Linux are ethical hacking, network security, password, application security, and other thing exists. You need to learn every tool. You need to learn your main category tools. Like if you are interested in social engineering, phishing, you need to learn set toolkits from YouTube videos or Udemy, and you are ethical hacker related to this. So I hope you enjoy the video. Like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks.